Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, my name is Marilyn. So in today's video, we are back with another Vegan Cats makeup box unboxing. So I have this Vegan Cats from the summer season. So if you haven't heard about Vegan Cats is a subscription. So they have a monthly subscription for beauty box, and they also have makeup subscription every 3 months, and they also have snacks subscriptions. So this is the second time I'm unboxing this for you guys. So just in case you guys are interested to learn more about them, I'll make sure to link their website down below. But without further ado, let's go ahead and open this box. So basically, Vegan Cats is a makeup subscription. So they have beauty subscriptions every month where you can receive beauty products that ranges from skincare and body care and also makeup. But the makeup box is specifically for makeup, which is you can receive every 3 months, so every season for spring, summer, fall, and winter. So this, I actually already opened this box before because I just want to make sure that all the products are, in good condition. So when we open it, so we have the information card that comes in every box, and it also shows you at the back all the information about each product and also the pricing. So I'll make sure to link how much the box is at, I can't remember on top of my head, but yeah. So the first product that I have here is this Derma E Essential Sun Protection Mineral Powder with SPF 30, and this is how it looks. So this is how the product looks like. So which is amazing, actually perfect for back to school, because like you don't want to be carrying a lot of makeup products on your makeup bag. So, and having a powder, mineral powder in your bag that comes with a brush like this is very convenient, and it's so travel friendly. So I would absolutely recommend this. So something like this is very, very great to have. So even though you do your makeup before you go to school or before you go to work, having this, you just need to do your touch up during your lunch break or during your break. Yeah, so it's very good to have whenever you need a touch up. The next product in here is this Stunning Brow Eyebrows Gloss Sets from Pacifica. And this is how it looks like. I really like their packaging actually. So it's basically a gel where you can set your brows after you fill it in. So yeah. The next product in this box is this Stain Matte Lip Stain from A Natural. So this is how it looks like, and this is on shade On Point, which is in like mauve color. So when you subscribe to a makeup box or a beauty box, if they have a lip products on that box, they would usually send you a survey in advance, so you can pick and choose the shades that you need. Like for example, if that box has a mineral powder, they will send you a survey as well to choose which shade, and as well as the lip gloss as well. So far those are the 2 products that I have received a survey to choose the shades. So the next product in here is this Honeybee Garden eyeliner. This is how it looks like. And this is in the shade, but it is Jet Set. So this is the shade Jet Set, which is black. So yeah, I forgot to mention that each makeup box actually comes with 40 products, and then they will give you a bonus products, and it will show you in this thing as well. So in this makeup box, the bonus product is this Sargent lashes, which looks really natural, and then it comes with this lash applicator tweezer. Oops, comes with an instruction, and this is how the tweezer look like. And then it also comes with this waterproof eyelash adhesive, because usually lashes, they come with a lash glue, but this one is a eyelash adhesive, which I've never tried before. So it looks like a mascara. It looks like one of those eyebrows brush. I was actually reading the instruction how to apply these lashes. You actually have two options of applying this. You can either apply this adhesive here right after you apply your mascara, and then you can put the fake lashes, and then you can put another coat, or you can actually put your lashes, the false lashes first after you put the mascara on, and then apply this after. So you have two options on how you can apply this. And of course, it comes with the instruction guides and all the information paper that comes on the lashes as well. I really actually appreciate a product that comes with instruction and information in the box, because especially if it's like something that you apply closer to your eyes. That's basically what comes with these Vegan Cats makeup box for the summer season. So I believe there's still some boxes available. I truly love all the products that comes in this makeup box, which is absolutely amazing for back to school. I'll make sure to leave all the information down below where you can get all, or where you can check out the subscription box. And thank you guys again so much for watching, and I will see you guys on my next video.